Dear customers and friends, hello! Today, we will introduce a high-end integrated surface DTH drill rig, Zega D545H. This model is equipped with a 194 kilowatts Cummins engine, a Zega screw air compressor with a pressure of 20 bar, and a displacement of 17 cubic meters per minute, and a hydraulic rotary head. In terms of drilling, it has a designed aperture of 590 to 130 millimeters, is equipped with a 7+1 carousel and a maximum depth of 24 meters, whose operation and control system is convenient. D545H has a compact tramming structure, a dual-speed hydraulic tramming mechanism with sufficient power, and strong off-road performance, with a maximum tramming speed of 3.3 kilometers per hour and a maximum gradability of 25 degrees. The drill boom and feed are positioned using a max flow manual hydraulic control device, which is sensitive to movement and can quickly position. The feeding system is driven by hydraulic cylinders with a feeding stroke of 3.4 meters, a feeding force of 12 kilonewtons, and a pullback force of 16.5 kilonewtons, equipped with a hydraulic rotary head with an adjustable speed, and has a torque of 1900 newton meters, making drilling efficient. Zega high-efficiency dry dust collector is equipped with a high-speed fan, which has a large filtering area and excellent dust removal effect.